This is kind of exciting. I'm in Toronto visiting my dad. He's about to turn 100 in this building on the 5th floor. I just got a text from my daughter back in Vancouver who says that her favorite YouTubers, Slushy Noobz, they are DJing down in Trinity Bellwoods Park, and I must go videotape them, according to her. So, we're going to rent a bike, we're going to whip down there, see what we see. You ready? Let's go.
Alright. You call it Hamza? Yeah.
Okay, so out of 10, what would you be as a fan? Yeah.
I'm gonna say 8.
An 8?
Yeah, me too.
An 8?
I'm Georgie.
You're Georgie?
I think I'd be like a 3, but they have potential.
Okay, so
how is it seeing them in person? Yeah.
It was
now it's your
exciting.
Up
interview.
close.
It was very exciting. I think they're pretty much like they are in the videos.
I think like your aura, like your vibe, just like very like, and this is not in a bad way, but like very like socially awkward, and it like kind of like attracted the other socially awkward.
Oh, I see. Because I'm socially awkward, they're socially awkward. We kind of
And
bonded over that.
exactly. And I think it was just you, like you weren't like a teenager, you know, like a teenage girl, which was the majority of their.
You know, I got a feeling like they thought I was the official who was going to shut them down. Because they weren't in the park legally, right?
Yeah, they didn't have a license.
Oh, so that's why
They came up and shook
like,
your hand.
hello.
Hello, sir.
I don't know, because you had your GoPro on your
Yeah, I don't know if that's very professional.
It isn't very
So
professional.
I think they just, I think they recognized a fellow YouTuber. Yeah.
Maybe that was it.
You're also the only one to go behind the stage, so they're probably
And you're
like,
also the oldest one there, so.
yeah.
I was
There's
definitely
actually
the-
some weird old guy in like a beard. I
Was
saw him
there?
in one of the videos. I think he was homeless. He was just there for the music.
Well, I'm
So-
curious, like, do you guys have like one video that they've done that you
Are you
love?
gonna say
It's
the
your-
camping vlog? I did the cooking video, like the grocery store, where they get each other ingredients.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my
Yeah.
last.
I like the music one.
Do you have a favorite clue?
The like pure experience.
I'm trying to think.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Well, I don't know why, but I really like they're playing a horror game right now, Silent Hill. And it's like, cause I'm kind of scared to play horror games on my own, but they're like talking through the whole thing and like laughing through the whole thing.
Right, if you've got a friend to play with, that
Yeah,
you
it's
can
like-
laugh with,
yeah,
and it's
so-
not scary.
So it's not as scary, and then I'm actually enjoying like playing the game. So
I just want to take a little break in the interview for a moment to describe to them where we're going right now
okay.
in the car, because I don't even know if they've been to Vancouver or if they know.
yeah, he has a picture on like English Bay, I think.
No,
Oh.
I remember following him on TikTok and like, cause he was in like For Freak Show, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
And, he posted like a stupid, like he was like running on the beach or something.
3, 2, 1. Fright Night!
oh my God, not Fright Nights! What's that?
It's like a scary festival.
Scary festival.
A scary, like, I don't know.
It's the takeover, the scary takeover of the amusement park.
It's at
Thailand.
And what?
Halloween.
Halloween.
And how beautiful is the weather?
It's actually better now.
But it's still raining.
Pouring rain.
Haunted houses. There's like 5 haunted houses, and there's all the amusement. Stop. There's like 5.
At least 5, between 5 and 7.
There's between 6
There's 6 and 7 houses, and there's amusement park rides, like the Beast.
The Beast.
The
Which one's your favorite? The Beast.
I really want to go on Atmosphere in the rain. I think that would be cool.
Okay. Back to the noobs.
Okay.
Is there anything that you want to tell them? Like that you wish they would do, or you wish that they wouldn't do?
Come to Vancouver
Yeah.
Come back to Vancouver and film what?
and film a what is that? A Golden Years camping vlog.
Oh, golden ears.
That's yeah.
You should.
I feel like I'm in a carpool karaoke video.
Okay, so my question was, you guys are like musical, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
And you're preparing a concert of all Claro songs?
Oh. I told him about that.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Well, we're in the process. Yeah.
Okay, so which Claro song have you guys practiced?
Juna.
There's only been one practice.
Okay, so you guys are like really bad right now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, we have to do a cappella version. Do you do the drums? You wanna go dancing, you make me wanna fly. You make me wanna buy a new dress, you make me wanna
Yeah.
know me. You know me.
Karaoke.
Okay, is that good enough?
I think it's pretty good. Do you- Come on.
Every second counts. I don't wanna watch TV anymore. Can you figure me out? Just to waste more time on the couch. I don't wanna go anymore. I don't wanna go in the corners. That's everything I have inside me. Then let the time to rush. Then I'm falling with the rush. Since then my cheeks are so flushed. Dun, 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 dun,
Oh.
Games I can call you by the name I gave you yesterday.
Oh wait, I have a challenge.
Okay.
Take a tap class at Vancouver Tap Dance Society. I need tasting.
That's pretty good.
Do you think they would take a tap dance class?
Yeah.
Ooh, maybe we might get some.
I said that they should come to our school.
I think that's I don't think they're allowed to film at the.
Yeah, there would be all kinds of
They should
things that would be break.
They should come. They should come to West End Community Center.
And they should do a tap dance there. So they should come take classes and then go perform.
Yeah. I challenge you to the polar bear swim. Ready? 3.
To say their names.
Okay. Hamza and Martin. Martin, Hamza, I challenge you to the polar bear swim. Okay, ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Martin and Hamza, I challenge you to the polar bear swim on New Year's Day. New Year's Day in British Columbia.
There, okay, the challenge has been thrown down.
Yeah.
That's pretty good, guys. Thank you for the interview, and we'll put that straight up on the internet.
My daughter! Gotta go here. Okay, so here I am in the world. You want to say hi to Cleo? Hi, Cleo. You're the best dad I've ever seen. That's nice to say. My daughter from Vancouver just texted me and said, just texted me and said, get down there and see these guys. Yeah, I'm recording for her. I'm gonna. Her name's Cleo, and her friends too. They love you. They love you guys.
That's where you're going now.
Yeah.
You're the best ever.
Absolutely. Yeah. Thank you. How's that?